library friends, this is Miss Leanne from the Huntley Area Public Library. We're back with another fun crafts video. Today we're going to be making some popsicle frames. So let's get into the video. Supplies you'll need for today's video. You're going to need a picture of whatever you want to put in your picture frame. You're going to need a cup full of water and a paintbrush. You're going to need some popsicle sticks. And you're going to need some ribbon if you want to decorate your popsicle sticks with the ribbon. And then you're going to need some paint. So I have my primary colors. I have blue, red, and yellow. And then you're going to need some glue, of course. So I have Elmer's glue with me today. And let's get started. So first we're going to take the picture away so we don't get it messy, and as you can see I have 3 popsicle sticks painted with the primary colors, and now we're going to be making our secondary colors with our 3 primary colors. So for the first secondary color you're going to be mixing red and yellow to make orange. So you're just going to take a small scoop of the yellow and then a small scoop of the red and mix it to your preferred orange. So I did 2 scoops of yellow and 1.5 scoops of red. So it's going to be a lighter orange color. And then you're going to mix the 2 colors together until you get your perfect orange that you need. So right now it's a little bit darker, so I'm going to add a little bit more yellow to it. And then keep mixing. So depending on how light or dark you want your orange to be, the lighter you want it to be, the more yellow you're going to put in. The darker the orange, you want to put more red in. And then I'm going to swipe all the extra paint off and dip my brush into the water and clean it off. Then I'm going to tap the excess water off on a piece of paper or a towel and go on to my secondary color. So this one we're going to be making purple. You're going to be mixing the red and the blue together. So the blue this time is going to be the darker color and the red is going to be the lighter color. So the lighter the purple, the more red you're going to use. The darker the purple, the more blue you're going to use. You're just going to mix it until you get the purple that you want. Excess paint on the brush and dip it into the water again to wash the paint off. And now we're going to be making our 3rd secondary color by mixing yellow and blue together to make green. So the yellow is going to be our lighter color, obviously, and the blue is going to be our darker color. So the lighter the green you want, the more yellow you put in, and the darker the green you want, the more blue you put in. So now we have all of our secondary colors, orange, purple, and green. Now we're going to move our paint palette to the side and bring out our popsicle sticks. So since I have 3 popsicle sticks already painted, I'm just going to be painting one more popsicle stick a solid color. So I chose green for this last popsicle stick, and you're just going to paint it till it's covered in the green, and then you're going to let it dry. So the other 3 popsicle sticks are already dry, so once we finish coloring this green one, we're going to be decorating the other 3 popsicle sticks. So we're going to move the palette to the side and let that green one dry off. And now I'm going to grab one of my ribbons to see which one I'm going to put it on. So I'm going to put it on the yellow popsicle stick. So what I did to try and get the ribbon to stick was hold it at the bottom and put glue onto the ribbon. This part is going to get a little bit messy, but you can clean the Elmer's glue up, so it's no problem. Just make sure you don't put too much glue like I did. If you put too much glue, you can just wipe the excess glue off and wipe it onto the other ribbon that doesn't have any glue on it. And then you're just going to keep messing around with it until you get the ribbon to stick onto the popsicle stick. So I'm going to get the ribbon on and we'll be right back. So the ribbon didn't end up working out for me, so I painted 2 new popsicle sticks, yellow and blue. And now we're just going to be decorating it with paint. You could also decorate it with stickers if you have some, or some washi tape. Those are kind of like ribbons, but they do have adhesive on the back of them, so they will stick to the popsicle stick better. So I decided to paint the green one with yellow polka dots. If you are going to dip into the paint again, make sure your brush is completely dry. My brush wasn't exactly dry, so that's why the yellow isn't sticking to the popsicle stick. Finish painting some dots on the green popsicle stick and move on to our next one. Now we're going to paint some red stripes on the blue popsicle stick. So you can decorate the popsicle sticks however you want to, and you can paint them whatever color you want. This is just what I did. You can follow along or decorate it your own way. And then we're going to move on to our red. So we're going to put some blue onto the brush, onto one side. And you're just going to stroke the paintbrush upwards to create kind of ombre effect. So the blue and the red mixing together will create kind of it'll create a purple tint onto the red popsicle stick. And I'm going to do the same thing with the yellow popsicle stick. So what I'm going to do is dip my paintbrush into the blue and stroke it one way onto the yellow popsicle stick. So since our popsicle sticks are kind of a solid color, you can write on the popsicle stick, you can write the memory on the top one and then date it at the bottom of the popsicle stick. So you'll have one popsicle stick at the top that says the memory or the location, and then at the bottom popsicle stick you'll have the date of when that happened. So you're just gonna let the popsicle sticks dry and then glue them together. So since our popsicle sticks are dry now, we're gonna be putting the popsicle sticks together. So first you're gonna want to place them how you'd like them, and then you're gonna want to glue them so that you don't mess around with the glue. So right now I'm checking to see if all the popsicle sticks are completely dry or just a little bit dry. It looks like the red and the yellow one are completely dry, and the blue is completely dry, and the green is somewhat dry. It's just some of the yellow dots are a little wet. But that's okay because we will just leave the dots alone and grab it from the side. So right now I'm trying to figure out how I want the popsicle sticks to look. So this is when you're just going to mess around with the popsicle sticks to see which popsicle stick you want on the side and which ones you want on the top and the bottom. So I decided to have the green one on the yellow one on the bottom, and then I decided to switch out the blue and the red one because I wanted the red one on top so we can write the memory of the picture. And since I did accidentally paint on the picture, I'm going to be trying to cover it with the popsicle stick. So once you get the popsicle sticks to however you like them, you're going to grab your glue and glue all of them down. You're just going to want to put a little dot on the popsicle stick. You don't want to put too much on it. Glue on the bottom popsicle stick. Same thing, you're going to do 2 dots. You don't want big dots, you just want tiny little dots of glue. Once it's dry, you're going to write your memory at the top and then date it at the bottom of the popsicle stick. So we're going to let our popsicle sticks dry and then we'll be right back. So now that our popsicle stick is dry, we're going to write the memory at the top. So I wrote renovation 2020, and then I wrote Huntley Library at the bottom. So you can write whatever you want. If it's a picture frame for your dad or for your mom, you can write a little note for them. Or if it's just a picture frame to hang in your room, you can just write the location or the memory or who you were with, and then whatever you want on the bottom. So you can kind of write whatever you want on it to personalize it to your style or your preference. once you write. And then once you're done writing, you are finished. You may have to stick the picture onto the popsicle stick, which I already did. And there you go, you have a popsicle picture frame. If you make it at home, make sure you tag us at HuntleyLibrary.org or tag the Huntley Library page on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Make sure you log on to HuntleyLibrary.org for all the digital content you have access to with your library card. We'll see you soon. Bye.